All right, intermediate algebra students, this is your last video for the inequalities unit. On this one, it's called Systems of Inequality Word Problems. So, I can't even pronounce that person's name. Mike wants to download songs and lectures on his smartphone. Okay, he can download 30 songs and lectures, but he can download at most 300 megabytes of data. Okay. So, where the heck is this? Oh, so they have graphed this situation for us. So, this is one of the things, so meets the expectations of A. This one meets the expectations of B. This darker shaded one in the middle meets the expectations of both. So, what they want to know is what is the most, oh, here it is, right down here. What is the greatest number of lectures he can download while meeting both constraints? So in order to meet both constraints, we've got to be within this little triangle right down here. This little point right here is the most lectures. Remember, lectures goes north and south, while songs goes this direction. So the most lectures that we can do while meeting both constraints would be right here at 15. So you're just reading that graph to get that. Let's do one more. Okay. Astrid wants to buy pumpkins and watermelons. By the way, pumpkins and watermelons are both fruits, I guess. She wants to buy more than 10 fruits, and she has a budget of $117. So here is the equation for the first one. She wants P and W, pumpkins and watermelons, to be greater than 10. And by the way, pumpkins cost $5.50 per pumpkin. Watermelons cost $3.50 per watermelon. We only know that because of this inequality right here. And we need that to be less than or equal to our budget of $117. So, does she meet both of her expectations if she wants to buy 7 pumpkins and 3 watermelons? Well, first of all, 7 plus 3 is 10. Is 10 greater than 10? And the answer is no. She would have to buy more. So no, she does not meet the expectations for how many she's buying. So, but let's find out the other one. If pumpkins are $5.50 per pumpkin and watermelons are $3.50 per watermelon, let's plug that information in. $5.50 times 7 is $38.50. $3.50 times 3 is $10.50. When I add these two together, I get $49. Is 49 less than or equal to $117, which is our budget? And the answer is yes, it is. So we do stay within budget, as this one will say. She does stay within budget, but she does not buy the expected number of fruits and vegetables. So our answer would be letter C. Just kind of reasoning these out, guys. Good luck to you, and we'll see you at Google Hangouts. Bye-bye.